The new second generation AirPods Pro will begin arriving to customers on Friday, September 23. For customers still using the first generation AirPods Pro or older AirPods models, there are several new features and changes you can look forward to using. We have outlined 6 new significant features, changes, and improvements that the new second generation AirPods Pro offer compared to older models. Number 1. Better active noise cancellation. Building on a feature introduced in the first generation AirPods Pro, the new AirPods Pro now feature up to 2x better active noise cancellation. The improvement will mean less ambient noise making its way into the user's ears when using active noise cancellation, thanks to improved noise cancelling microphones, a new driver, and improved algorithms. The second one is improved sound quality with richer bass. The new AirPods Pro feature a custom-built driver and amplifier that works with the H2 chip to provide low distortion, deeper bass, and crisp and clear high notes for music, videos, and more. The H2 chip also powers a new algorithm that processes sound in real time more quickly, custom tuning into your ears for high fidelity sound. The third one is Adaptive Transparency Mode. Alongside active noise cancellation, AirPods Pro feature Transparency Mode, which uses outward-facing microphone to let you hear the world around you. The second generation AirPods Pro take this further with Adaptive Transparency Mode, which can minimize loud noises like sirens and power tools while letting you hear other sounds. Number 5. Better in-ear detection. The first generation AirPods Pro feature IR optical sensors to detect when a user places them in their ears. Like the third generation AirPods, the new AirPods Pro features skin detection sensors for even better in-ear detection, longer battery life, and more reliable performance that will prevent the AirPods from being accidentally activated in a bag or pocket. Number 6. Longer battery life. The second generation AirPods Pro get up to 6 hours of listening time with active noise cancellation enabled, which is 1.5 hours longer than the original AirPods Pro. With the new MagSafe charging case, the new AirPods Pro can get up to 30 hours of listening time with active noise cancellation, 6 hours more than before.